Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 on your computer and you keep getting this connection failed error with the error code 18601S 6603S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first up, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. You're going to click onto your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. You're going to click onto it, click change settings of this connection, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, right here 1.1.1.1, and then right here 1.0.0.1, and then click OK here as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam and you're going to right click on your game, Battlefield 6. You're going to go into properties. You're going to make sure that you disable Steam overlay and also right here -dx11. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into install files, click verify integrity of games files, and then wait for it to verify the integrity of games files. Meanwhile, you open up your start menu, right here date and time, and make sure that your date and time is synced to the internet. So if your date and time is not synced to the internet, you get different internet errors on your computer. So just make sure that set time automatically is turned on and then click sync now on here. And once you've done all of that, the last fix is kind of weird. So if you have any USB drives plugged into your computer, just go ahead and take them out of your computer and then try to play Battlefield 6 and you'll see that you will not get that connection failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.